set up this printer with your Windows 10 laptop or computer and do the wireless printing and scanning. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. Now go to the printer's display panel. So we need to activate the Wi-Fi direct of this printer, as we are going to use inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer. So to activate the Wi-Fi direct, press the wireless button once. It will activate the Wi-Fi direct. As you can see, the small icon has appeared here. Now we also need to know the password of this printer. For that we need to press and hold the paper button and the information button unless printer prints a page. We can see the printer has started to print the page, and it says, so printer printed the page and it says welcome to Wi-Fi direct. It displays the name of the printer and its password. Go to your Windows 10 laptop or computer and open the Wi-Fi setting of this printer. In the Wi-Fi setting, just wait for the printer's Wi-Fi to appear here. So here we can see direct HP DeskJet 270 series. So once you click on that, and here you will see it says enter the pin from the router level using 8 digit, and we are going to use the another option which is at the bottom. It says connect using a security key. So click on that. Now we enter the password here and click on the next button and click on yes. So just wait and it will connect the Wi-Fi. Now you see it says it is securely connected and there is no internet. Now go and the HP Smart app I have opened here. There is a plus button on this side of the screen, as you can see. So you just have to click it and it will search for the printer here. And here we see HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. Click on it again. And your printer is available here. So you can see the printer detail is available as well. Now the next step is how to do the wireless scanning printing. So here you can see the scan option is available. Let's start with the scanning. So click on the scan button. Open the top scanner lid. Place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner. Now go to your computer or laptop and click on the scan button, which is here at the bottom of the screen. So here we can see that the scan has been transferred, and you can save it as a PDF or JPEG. Thanks for watching.